My video is about removing the online scam that is related to the site webdatasecuritycenter.com. Now, this is a totally faulty alert. It made Google Chrome and other browsers, but the alert is absolutely faulty and scary and deceptive. It claims to be related to the well-known security application. However, it is not related to that program. Its purpose is to force users into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. You shouldn't interact with them. Also, you should not click on any allow buttons that are integrated into these pop-ups, because this would hijack your browser and you would start receiving even more ads. If the allow button was mistakenly clicked, go to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, go to permissions and then choose notifications. Carefully research the sites that are allowed to send notifications, and when you find this webdatasecuritycenter.com, make sure you remove it from the list. I would also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this website, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official resource. In my case, for some reasons, there are some troubles with my internet. Anyway, the page you need to go to is combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.